In this lesson, we will compare proportional relationships, which is something we actually did earlier in topic 3. Go ahead and pause the video here to read the first example. What the question is asking is which plane is faster. A great way to make a comparison is to calculate both unit rates. Unit rates is the same thing as y divided by x, and I remember that time is always an x variable, which means distance is going to be my y variable. When I fill in the data from the table, I get 40 over 5, and that equals 8. Quickly testing the other values, 120 divided by 15, 240 divided by 30, and so on, I realized that all pairs of data result in a unit rate of 8. This tells me that the data is proportional. Now that I know my unit rate is 8, and I also know that a constant of proportionality is the same thing as a unit rate, I can go ahead and write an equation in the format of y equals kx. Replacing k with 8, I get an equation of y equals 8x. Let's take a look at the Boeing 747. I know that the data is proportional because there's a graph of a straight line. I'm going to pick a point on the line. This point right here has an x value of 4 and a y value of 60. Now when I calculate my constant of proportionality, which is the same thing as my unit rate, I get 60 over 4, and that is 15. So what that tells me is the Boeing 747 travels 15 kilometers every 1 minute. Now, I can plug the value 15 into my equation, and now I can compare y equals 15x to y equals 8x. And I can clearly see this plane travels further for every 1 minute that it's in the air. Go ahead and pause the video here to read example 2. I'm trying to figure out which video game player will earn 100 points first. So again, to make a comparison, the best way would be to find the unit rate or the constant of proportionality for each representation. For Brianna, I'm given the equation y equals 2x, 2 being the constant of proportionality. And what that means is for every 1 minute of gameplay, Brianna will earn 2 points. Now taking a look at Daniel's data over here, the point 13 is on his line, and this point represents Daniel's unit rate of 3 points per minute. Writing an equation, I have y equals 3x. Now comparing the equations, which is basically the same thing as comparing the unit rates, Daniel will earn 3 points for every minute, Brianna will earn 2 points for every minute, so Daniel will definitely reach 100 points first.